everyone, it's me Jenny and welcome to my channel Lovingly Knee. So in this video I'm going to show you how to crochet this very easy 5 petals flower. This is how it looks like. Okay, you can make this flower to attach to a beanie, headband or hair clip, bobby pin. Yeah, so I'm going to show you step by step on how to crochet. You need yarn and crochet hook. You can use any yarn or any crochet hook. The crochet hook you use based on the recommended crochet hook size based on the yarn label. Okay, so now we're going to start by making magic loop or magic ring. You can do your magic loop, magic ring, however way that you prefer. This is how I normally do my magic loop. Wrap the yarn around fingers and hold it right there. Twist the yarn and hold it right there. Hook in the loop, yarn over, pull the yarn through the loop. Okay, so now we made the magic loop or magic ring. Okay, so now we are going to chain 1. Okay, so after you chain 1, now we're going to make 10 half double crochet stitch. Okay, so to make half double crochet stitch, we are going to yarn over, bring the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now you have 3 loops on your crochet hook, 1, 2, 3. Now yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. So now you made your first half double crochet stitch. Now we're going to make the rest of the stitch, total 10 half double crochet. So this is 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so once you made 10 half double crochet stitch, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you're going to slip stitch in the first half double crochet stitch right here. Okay, slip stitch in the first half double crochet stitch to finish up this round. Okay, so now to close the hole at the center, you're going to pull this tail right here. Okay, so now we are going to make the first petal, and to make the first petal we're going to start with chain 2. 1, 2. Okay, so after you make chain 2, now we're going to make 4 double crochet. We're going to make all in the same stitch right here, the first stitch where we did the slip stitch. Okay, so to make double crochet stitch, you're going to yarn over, okay, yarn over, hook in the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now you have 3 loops on your crochet hook. Now yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now you have 2 loops on your crochet hook. Now yarn over and pull through both loops. Now you made the first double crochet stitch, and now we're going to do the rest of the stitches. As I mentioned, we're going to make total 4 double crochet. So this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so all 4 double crochet in the same stitch. Now we're going to chain 2, 1, 2. Now you're going to slip stitch in the same stitch right here. Okay, slip stitch. Okay, so done with the first petal. This is how it looks like. Okay, so now we're going to slip 2 stitches. We're going to slip stitch the next stitch right here, and we're going to slip stitch the next stitch right here. Okay, so at the second slip stitch we are going to make the second petal. So we're going to chain 2, 1, 2. We're going to repeat the same exact pattern as the petal number 1. Start with chain 2, make 4 double crochet in the same stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so after you made 4 double crochet, now we're going to chain 2, 1, 2, and now we're going to slip stitch at the same stitch. Okay, so done with the second petal. Now we're going to slip 2 stitches, slip stitch the next stitch, and slip stitch the next stitch. Okay, so at the second slip stitch here is where we're going to do the next petal. We're going to repeat the same pattern, chain 2, 1, 2, make 4 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, chain 2, 1, 2, and slip stitch in the same stitch. Now we're going to slip 2 stitches. We're going to slip stitch the next stitch, and we're going to slip stitch the next stitch. And at the second slip stitch is where we're going to do the next petal, petal number 4, chain 2, 1, 2, 4 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you're going to chain 2, 1, 2, slip stitch in the same stitch, and now we're going to do the last petal. But before that, we're going to do 2 slip stitch, 1 slip stitch at the next stitch, and the second slip stitch at the following stitch. Okay, so at this slip stitch is where we're going to do the last petal, petal number 5, chain 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 4 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we're going to chain 2, 1, 2, and slip stitch in the same stitch. Okay, so after you've done the last petal, petal number 5, you should have 1 stitch left right here. Okay, so we're going to slip stitch at the last stitch, and now to finish up we are going to slip stitch back to the first petal right here. Okay, so chain 1, and you're going to cut the yarn. You can cut it longer if you want to use the ends of the yarn to sew it to beanies or headbands. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Okay, so you're going to use needle to hide the ends, or you can use smaller crochet hook to bring these ends to the back right here. Okay, the longer ends you can use this to sew to beanies or headband or t-shirt. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So if you use thicker yarn, you'll have bigger flower, and if you use smaller yarn, thinner yarn, you have smaller flower. Okay, so I do hope you find this tutorial easy to follow. If you have any question, leave your question at the comment section down below. I will try my very best to reply. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video and share this video with your fellow crochet friends. Also follow me on social media on Instagram at Lovingly Knee. I am not very active at Facebook anymore, but I do check once a while. Yeah, but I'm more on Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, this YouTube channel if you have not already, and click on the bell notification. That way you'll be notified every time when I upload a video. Yeah, that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care everyone. God bless and bye.